In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant accountant access to QuickBooks Online. Let's start right inside your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're signing in as the company administrator or primary user. This is important because only someone with that level of access can invite an accountant to the company file. If you use shared logins, it's a good idea to confirm you're using the main account that manages settings and users. Once you're signed in, look up to the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon, which is the Settings menu. Go ahead and click that. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of the tools that control how your account is set up behind the scenes. From the Settings menu, find and select the option called Manage Users. In some layouts, this might appear under a section labeled Your Company, but it will still be called Manage Users. This is the area where you control who can get into your books and what they can see or do. Inside the Manage Users section, you'll see different tabs. Look for a tab labeled Accountants or sometimes Accounting Firms, depending on your version. This tab is specifically designed for giving access to professional accountants, and it's separate from your regular company users. On that Accountants or Accounting Firms tab, you'll see a button that says Invite Firm or simply Invite. Click that button to start the process of inviting your accountant. A small form will appear asking for your accountant's details. At a minimum, you'll need their email address. Enter the email address that your accountant uses for their QuickBooks work, and if the form asks for a name or firm ID, you can fill that in as well. Take a moment to double-check the email so the invitation goes to the right place. When you're ready, click the option to send the invitation. QuickBooks will email your accountant directly from the system, so you don't need to attach anything manually. Here's what happens next. Your accountant receives an email invitation from QuickBooks. In that email, there will be a link they can click that takes them to sign in, or, if needed, sign up for a QuickBooks Online accountant account. This is the special version of QuickBooks designed for accounting professionals. Once your accountant accepts the invitation, you can return to the Manage Users section and the Accountants tab. You'll see that their status changes from invited to active. At that point, they have secure access to your QuickBooks Online company, and they can begin reviewing your books and helping you manage your accounting.